welcome back to a new video on the startup picks. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to put on post notifications so you know when I do upload a new video. Yeah man, we're still documenting our journey. Obviously we're still on phase 1, we're still in the current trade. I'm looking at it right now on OrCAD. I'll show you guys the trade in a second, but yeah man, it is Monday today, new week, the trading continues, and yeah man, I won't lie, this week has been so boring. Last week has been so boring because we've been in this trade for probably like 2 weeks. It's been such a long time, but this is the thing about swing trading, man. You have to be patient, you have to stay disciplined, and yeah. So I won't lie as well, I played football this weekend and I kind of sprained my ankle, so I can't even walk, I can't go to the gym, I can't drive. So it's, yeah, I'll probably be able to move in like 2 weeks and like do all those productive things, you know. I don't even want to show you guys like the picture or like how it looks because it's quite gruesome, but yeah man, let me show you guys how the trade looks right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the trade we're in right now, and yeah, it's looking good so far. We're about halfway to the TP, or maybe even slightly past halfway to the TP. But yeah, update on this account, or at least on this trade, we have minimized the risk as well. So we put the risk, the stop loss, at least to these lows. So right now, if the market does reverse and kick us out, we won't lose as much money, obviously. Yeah, it's just a good idea to do that, to have trading stop loss, to minimize the risk, of course, especially because we're risking a lot on this trade. I think we're risking about 3.2% or at least 3% on this trade, which is a lot. And now you also understand why I can't enter any other trades, even like no matter how good they look, I just can't enter the trade. It's quite annoying, I can't lie, but we have to be patient. But yeah, and then I have an alert right here at the 750 zone on OrCAD to let me know at least like we're getting closer to the point of completion of the phase 1 challenge. So yeah, we have to get around these levels as I mentioned previously, past phase 1. We don't have to get all the way to TP, so that's the good thing about this. And yeah man, that's the update on this trade. And as you guys can see, I don't really have any other setups that are looking good right now. Yeah, which is probably a good thing because it will know me more if there's a good setup and we can't enter it. So yeah, maybe it's a good thing, man. Yeah, I want to check Nasdaq as well. I think Nasdaq might be looking good. Yeah, this trade just missed the entry point, flying to the stop, flying to the take profit. GBP was, yeah, nothing, the same thing, just missed the entry point, flew to the take profit. Nasdaq, yeah, I think this is in Nasdaq. I want to say Nasdaq. This one annoyed me a lot, I won't lie. I wanted to so badly into Nasdaq last week. As you can see, massive bullish pressure to the upside, breaking the zone right here, breaking this swing high, break of structure, and we got a beautiful fair value gap right here, but there wouldn't be an entry point. There's a small little fair value gap here as well. We can mark it out as an entry point, and as you can see, Fibonacci, perfect sniper entry right there, and we would have been in the position to look at something like this. Stop loss at the swing lows, TP at the swing highs. We would have been mad in profit, I won't lie. Yeah, the trade would have been looking something like this, but I couldn't enter. I didn't want to enter because we already had the trade on OrCAD. Slightly annoying, but it is what it is. But yeah, there's no other update I can give you guys. That's it. I'll update you guys tomorrow if something happens, or maybe in 2 days, but yeah. Okay, so this is what our trade's looking like right now, and yeah, as you can see, we just had a small retracement to the downside, and now it looks like we're having an impulsive move to the upside again. And yeah, I wasn't worried at all when I saw the market started going down because there's this fair value gap that needs to be filled. But yeah, I didn't really expect the market to come down to these levels because there's no fair value gaps at this point that needs to be filled. Everything is sort of filled. There's just one small fair value gap right here, but that's about it. Other than that, it's still the market itself needs to still fill this fair value gap right here. So yeah, I don't know if the market's gonna go all the way to this point right here. It might just go to this fair value gap and then start coming down to the downside. But yeah, we'll still see what happens. But I just want to explain to you guys something. I just wanted to explain to you guys that when you are in profit and you see the trades going, it starts reversing and stuff, but it's already in a sort of like trend. As you can see, like right now it's in a bullish trend, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. So obviously if we go on the hourly time frame, you'll see it a bit better, you'll see the market structure a bit better. So as you can see, We have a bunch of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, we have something that looks like this. If I can just find the path, and this is what this sort of trend looks like, right? It's just high highs and high lows going to the downside, going to the upside. But yeah, when you go on the 4 hour, then we have something that looks like this. It just looks like a line, right? But this move right here, I knew it's just a small retracement on the lower time frames, because for a trend to continue, it has to have retracements. It can't just be one impulsive move. An impulsive move is something that goes like, it's a strong move to the upside or to the downside, right? It will never just be a line. It's always gonna end up being the thing I showed you, where the market moves like this. It always moves like this. So yeah, I didn't stress on anything when I saw this. And like I said, there are fair value gaps that needs to be filled. As you can see, this fair value gap now is filled, and I think the market will just keep continuing to the upside. Once we get to this point right here though, so when we get to about this point, so the 9900s, we should probably consider like closing this trade, because yeah, we've also been holding this trade for a really long time, and we've been holding this trade for 13 days, so 2 weeks, and I'm pretty sure that excludes the weekends. So yeah, about maybe 18 days, so maybe 3 weeks we've been holding this trade now. So yeah, but that's update on this trade so far, and yeah, I guess we'll just keep waiting. Alright guys, so it is almost 11. I'm very tired, and yeah, as you can see, we are tumbling back to the downside. I'm still not really having any fear, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, as you can see, still looks like we're retracing down to about these levels right here, and like I mentioned earlier, we might just be filling out this fair value gap right. Sorry about that. We might just be filling out this fair value gap right here, and then maybe we'll continue back to the upside and continue that bullish pressure. But yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but as we zoom out, we can see just a massive bullish trend. So yeah man, it's kind of frustrating, because like I said, we've been in this trade for so long, and now we're clearly gonna be in this trade for much longer. So yeah, we'll probably only be about in these zones again, maybe even next week. But yeah, that's just what the trade's looking like right now. But now I'm definitely gonna go get some sleep, so I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is 23 minutes past 10. It is Wednesday today, and yeah, this is how the trade is looking so far. It's not looking good, by the way, but I'll show you guys real quick. Yes, as you can see, we are back at break even. I think this was news that took us all the way here, and then this zone that I marked out right here is a fair value gap that needs to be filled by the market, but the market absolutely tumbled through that. I'll show you on the 5 minute. This literally all just happened right now. As you can see, this candle took us all the way in losses, and now it's starting back up, but it might still continue to going down to the downside. Might just hit stop loss. I'm not really sure what the market's gonna do right now. It's really unpredictable, extremely volatile as well. So yeah, I just don't know what the market's gonna do. It can either go to the upside or can go to the downside, but yeah, nothing we can control. In terms of the stop loss, I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. If we take the loss, we take the loss. It happens. It is what it is. And yeah, so a lot of people will actually start fearing the market and close their trade. Nah, I didn't close my trade, because you just don't know what's gonna happen. Like I said, we have a stop loss there for a reason, and we're ready to minimize the losses from this point to that point. So yeah, no matter what happens, I'm happy with the trade, and yeah, we're just gonna keep waiting, I guess. I'll update you guys a little later in the day. Yeah guys, I'm just on the park now. It is Thursday today. I'm busy eating something here, but yeah, I'm just walking my dog in the park. We're selling the trade, by the way. It's looking good so far. We are going back to the upside. We're going back to the upside. I see a dog here, so I'll walk away. But yeah, like I was saying, we're going back to the upside now, and yeah man, we're starting to look good again. I think we're there at the 400 zone. Yeah, I'll show you guys when I get back inside. Alright guys, it is 10 minutes to 10 p.m. It's still Thursday, and yeah, just decided to record my bed real quick. I won't lie, I forgot to record earlier. I was tired and napped. Yeah, but this is what the today's looking like right now. Yeah, we were here about this point last night in the last video update, as you can see. So today we just slowly retrace back to this point. This was a fair value gap needs to be filled. As you can see, we're above that zone now. I've got this alert here to let us know we broke this high right here, and that way I know that we'll continue to the upside. But yeah, for now this is how the trade's looking. As you can see, the time is quite late, so the day's basically over. It's about to reach 11 o'clock, which is market close for the day. And yeah, tomorrow's Friday, and yeah, we'll just see what the trade is looking like tomorrow. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yo guys, it is Friday, and we're finally done with the week. Nothing's happened this week. What a boring week. The trade basically got nowhere, man. I'm not gonna lie, this trade got nowhere. It is market close now. It is 11 o'clock. I'll show you guys the trade right now. This is what the trade's looking like. As you can see, we are still going absolutely nowhere. Yeah, man, trading's really boring. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, the market did just close. It closes at 11 o'clock in South Africa. And yeah, I guess now we have to just go into the next week and just keep waiting. I mean, this trade could take even a month now. Could even take 2 months. Who knows? But I'm so bored of this trade now, man. Like, whether it like loses or whether it wins, bro, I just want to get out of this trade. I won't lie. But yeah, man, I so bad I want to like look for more setups, into more trades, and just move on. But yeah, man, one of the skills I always talk about is patience. You have to be patient, let things play out, you know. And yeah, man, I guess that's gonna be it for the week. I'll catch you guys next week. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Post notifications should be on, so you know when I upload. But yeah, peace out, man.